Let's talk about leg pain and leg cramps. When you talk about leg cramps and leg pain, you have to think about either whether it is nerve or vessel. And when you talk about nerves, then you have to think about a pinched nerve or there's problem with the nerve. The most common is probably like pinched nerves. You have back problems, especially you get nerve pinched, disc problem we call it commonly. And if you have a pinched nerve, then you could have leg pain, leg numbness, leg tingling, restless leg syndrome, feeling funny. All this is from the pinched nerves. Sometimes you get weak too if you have a pinched nerve. Also, if you have a diabetes, hypercholesterolemia, hypertension, taking some TB medications, alcohol abuse, smoking, all these things could cause leg pain, leg numbness, tingling sensation, leg cramps. And so you need to go see a doctor and get proper treatment and avoid these things. Also, if you have a atherosclerosis of the arteries, so you have a problem with artery blockage, then you have pain in your leg. We call it claudication. When you walk or exercise, you get cramps, pain, there's poor circulation, and so there's swelling, change in skin colors. All this is related to hardening of the arteries and plaques in the arteries. So it's a poor circulation. Especially if you smoke, then sometimes you get really poor circulation in your toes. Sometimes you have to cut your toes out. So you really need to watch out for these symptoms. Also, if you have a varicose vein, you have a disease in your vein. The valve, there's a valve in the vein. And if there's malfunction of the valve, the blood does not go up. It stays or it goes backwards. And so blood flow gets blocked because of the diseased vein, which means diseased valve of the vein. Then you get leg pains, leg swelling, change in pigmentation of the skin, thinning, restless leg syndromes. All these symptoms could be caused by also a varicose vein. Another vein problem is deep venous thrombosis. If you're traveling on a plane for a long period or sitting in the car for a long time, and then sometimes, unfortunately, you get clot in the deep veins. And then you get all kinds of problems in your leg, especially sometimes pregnancy. Rarely, but could cause it. And so all these things, if you have a leg problem, please go see a doctor and get proper treatment and diagnosis. Thank you.